Good morning, beautiful people. March 23rd, Saturday, 5:30 a.m. I'm exhausted, and one-handing this camera is super heavy. I'm packing up the gear, and we're about to get on the road. Super tired. I don't know why I do this to myself, but we're going to talk about that in the car. We're in Delaware. Had to make a stop because I have the bladder of a 4-year-old. Been on the road for about 2.5 hours at this point. Looks like I got another hour to go. For like the last hour, this has absolutely nothing to do with the story. Let me just say this. I was like, when I get to the rest stop, get out, I'm gonna put the camera on the roof of the car. I'm gonna stand outside. I'm gonna do this awesome segment about why I do work for free and blah, 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 which I'm gonna get into. It's gonna look great with the fucking wide lens, blah, blah, blah. Psyching myself up because I don't like vlogging in public because I have issues, but that's besides the point. I pull in and there's like, I go to the back of the parking lot, which is where I'm at, and there's like a bunch of cars around, but there's like tons of people sitting in their cars. That makes me super nervous. I've talked to you about me vlogging in public and how I'm uncomfortable with it and I can't get over it, so this is probably as good as it's gonna get. But I want to talk about why I do work for free. So why I do work for free, why I'm driving 3.5 hours to New Jersey. The first reason is because they're my friends and I like them. So that's the first reason. The second reason adds to my reel, if you will, of stuff that I can eventually charge for in the future. I'm not to the point where I feel like I can charge. I have taken paid jobs before and I delivered, you know, what the client wanted and they were happy. Everybody was happy. I don't feel that I'm at the point where I can be like, yeah, I'm not gonna be there unless I get paid. It's a little bit arrogant. Man, I hate IT so much. I hate it so much, but it's a means to an end. It just dawned on me that this event travel day vlog is quickly turning into a let Angel spill his soul, but that's okay, because I want you guys to come on this journey with me, because it's a fucking ride and I love it, and I feel like it would be inauthentic for me not to share it with you. And I've been doing photo and video since I was like 14. Like, I would use Windows Movie Maker and like film me and my friends skating and like chop it up into like a 25-minute video that I forced my mom and stepdad to watch. You're like, oh yeah, that's so good. This is trash. I wish I could find those. I would so put those on YouTube so fast so you guys could see them. I would like put unlicensed music to it, and this was, oh man, when was that? 2001? But I'm really excited. Like I said, I got the 60 Mark II full frame camera with the flip out screen. It's basically the big brother to the 80D, which I have 2 cameras, so it's fancy. And then I got the Sigma 12 to 24, which is what you see here. So this is at 24, and this is at 12. Like, this gets like both windows of the car. This lens is fucking stupid. I don't know how I'm gonna practically use it in this situation that we're gonna be in, but I'm so stoked. Like, I can't afford this fucking lens. I'm getting super fucking camera nerdy right now. I'm so excited. All right, we gotta get back on the road. I've wasted way too much time already. We'll see when we get there. We're here. Drive was safe. They're saying they sold like 350 something tickets, so it's gonna get pretty crowded. The lay of the land, see what's going on, and excited. All right, so we're here, Piccalilli in Shamong, New Jersey. It is very windy. I apologize for this audio, but we're right next to this main road, and Sarah said that there's going to be Jeeps all up and down this road on both sides, and we'll go take a walk around of what they have set up. Again, I apologize for the wind and the audio. I cannot control that. are back in Delaware. It's been a long day. It's 5:08. 5:08. I'm at the rest stop again. I had to get gas. I need to pee again. Sorry about this steering wheel. Even though there's nobody in their cars around me, I still can't get out of the fucking car to vlog in public. I hope one day you guys will watch a video and I'll just be like walking somewhere vlogging and there'll be like a ton of people there. But until then, we're just gonna have some chit chats in the car. The event was absolutely fantastic. It was cold and there was a ton of people there for how cold it was, but it wasn't like super cold, but it was awesome. They were selling all the shirts. The raffle went well. The wing eating contest was absolutely fucking hilarious. They said the wings weren't super hot, but there was just a lot of them. They said it was 20 wings. There was no way. There had to be 30 wings in there. But it went really well. I'm glad I went. It's always great to see everyone that's there. I'm tired. About to get back on the road. I'm gonna probably be home in 2 hours. We're getting back on the road. I need to go to sleep.